Welcome to Costa del Golfo Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe. This is how we do it in the jungle. We need gravel and these two old beat up machines, and these brave men are offering their service to us for $500 for the day, 8-hour day, as many loads as they can get back and forth. The ride back and forth is not easy and it's quite a distance. So we hope to get as many dump truck loads as possible. And hopefully this will solve the problem of our road washing away and the cows destroying it. But Marcelino and Delfino are doing their best for us. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out for our next progress video.